Our potions will have mica powder, water beads, wizard cloth, our potion bottle, and our wizard house. Add the water beads to a bowl. Add 2 cups of water. Wait 6 to 24 hours for the water to be absorbed into the beads. The longer you wait, the bigger they are. This is 6 hours. Add the water beads to your potion bottles. It can be a mess though. Fill it to about half or 2/3 of the bottle. Leave room. Add water into your potion bottle. Fill it up to about 3/4. Now we will take the mica powder and add it little by little. You do not want to use too much or you will not be able to see your water beads. Add the cork once you are done to seal in your potion. Shake it up and let your potion come to life. Now we will use our glue stick to add the wizard cloth. Glue it around the neck of the bottle, wrapping it around. This is what it should look like. Trim off any excess of wizard cloth that you do not want. We will add the insignia of our wizard house to the front of our bottle. And now our wizard potion is complete. May all you wizards and witches have fun with your new potion. Is my avocado toast done?